The international transport of goods by sea is steadily increasing, and so the Belgian ports of Antwerp and Ghent are growing in importance. A large increase in heavy goods traffic and increasingly frequent use of the Belgian motorway system is one result of this development. Rehabilitation of the high-volume E17 motorway shows how such roads can be optimally reconstructed to meet the challenges of the future. 40% of the motorway network in Belgium consists of concrete and 60% of asphalt pavements. The choice of pavement surface depends on the percentage of trucks in relation to traffic as a whole. Rehabilitation is taking place according to a process that is specific to Belgium. The very old concrete surface course is demolished. The asphalt layer below is milled out. A hydraulically bound base course is paved. Then the new asphalt course is paved. The central concrete safety barrier is built. Reinforcement is laid for the concrete carriageway, and finally, the new concrete carriageway is paved.
We use the continuously reinforced concrete pavement, the so-called CRCP, as a pavement type, because we have a long tradition and experience in Belgium with that kind of pavements, already with trials since the 1950s and with a massive use on our motorway network since the 1970s. CRCP has some major advantages compared to jointed slabs. First of all, of course, there is the absence of transverse joints, leading to a higher riding comfort for the motorists and also to a reduced maintenance cost for the road authorities. In addition, CRCP can easily be covered with a thin bituminous asphalt layer after, for instance, 20 to 25 years without any problem of reflecting, cracking, turning it so into a composite pavement.
After Wirtgen large milling machines have milled out the old asphalt layers, the new hydraulically bound base course is spread and paved using bulldozers. Compaction of the hydraulically bound base course is effected by single drum compactors. Vögeler pavers precisely pave the asphalt course, the basis for laying the reinforcement and paving the concrete carriageway.
Le projet E17
On the E17 we had one of the biggest motorway projects in Belgium. The project had to be completed within 6 months, with a budget of over 30 million euro and an area of roughly 340,000 square meters. We worked around the clock, 7 days a week, with no days off at all, to ensure that motorists were inconvenienced as little as possible. After all, the connection between Antwerp and France is a very important one, with a huge amount of traffic. Paving of the concrete carriageways, the most important task of the project. Precision paving, the highest possible material compaction, the best surface quality for perfectly smooth carriageways. Tasks for the Wirtgen slipform paver SP850. Perfect technology and, of course, perfect service, typical of Wirtgen. At Wirtgen Belgium, a subsidiary of the Wirtgen Group, we offer our customers clearly structured support that is aligned precisely with their needs. The successful completion of these projects clearly demonstrates the importance of our after-sales service. The result, a very satisfied customer. Despite tremendous time pressure, the goal was successfully achieved economically as well as technically. A project of this size, with such a tight schedule, places high demands on technology, but also on machine servicing. This service is provided by the Wirtgen Group, thanks to its worldwide subsidiaries and well-trained service and process engineers. In operation on site, the Wirtgen SP850 paving the concrete for the 25 cm thick and 7.5 meter wide carriageways.
Dus wij hebben gekozen voor de Wirtgen-machine omdat wij niets aan het toeval
We chose Wirtgen because we wanted to leave nothing to
We
chance.
hebben een analyse gemaakt.
Ahead of the project, we analyzed several concepts. We decided on the Wirtgen SP850.
SP850. Dat had verschillende redenen.
There were various reasons for this. The machine has a fixed paving mold, which is important for the high quality of the paving process and the evenness of the paved surface. The machine has a very high unladen weight, which also guarantees high concrete paving quality. The machine is also very well designed. Plus, we have had many years of good cooperation with Wirtgen Belgium.
In order to obtain an optimal combination of noise abatement and skid resistance properties, the surface finishing technique that was used is the fine-grained exposed aggregate concrete surface. The concrete mix we used was a typical pavement quality concrete mix. That means low slump concrete with relatively high cement content and low water-cement ratio, which leads to a very compact concrete. The maximum aggregate size was 20 millimeters. Because we want to have fine stones on top in this single layer concept, the fraction of the 4-6 aggregates are overdosed in the concrete grading curve. And these are exactly the stones which will appear on the surface due to the compaction of the concrete and after removal of the surface mortar.
3-shift operation. The Wirtgen SP850 in non-stop operation, a job that the slip-form paver masters perfectly. The result, smooth and even concrete carriageways with the highest load-bearing capacity, which will easily withstand future stresses. Wirtgen, for better roads.